Hey guys! So, you were looking for free PSN codes? Well then, I have something for you which I used in past to get free PlayStation codes. But first, you have to watch the complete video. The reason you will get it at the end. PSN codes is a 12-letter, any sum number code used to add more money in your virtual wallet. You can find $20, $50, or $100 PSN card from any stores that carry them. If you find 10-digit code, then it's a discount code that can be applied to your PlayStation Store shopping cart. Please note, a discount code cannot be applied to subscription services like PS Plus, video content, or pre-orders. A discount code cannot be combined with other discount codes or have multiple uses for one account. But in this video, I will talk about PSN codes only. So, what's the method? The method here is to use unused PSN gift card codes code. Okay, but where can I get the PSN codes for free? There are many unused codes that came from promotional contests plus giveaway. These codes are available free on the internet. But it is hard to find codes from huge internet networks. Then how do I get a code? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. As I said, I use this method. Well, I don't know the trick to scrap or find these codes from the internet, but I have found a page that has a list of unused PSN gift card codes. This is a page I was talking about. You can see the list and the amount that code has. Choose a code that has status available. Once found a valid code, just unlock it. There is a locker placed by the page admin. I have already unlocked some codes. I successfully used these codes. They said this locker used to protect the same person from accessing multiple codes, but I guess this locker benefits the page admin, so he can find or scrap more codes from the internet. I have just explained a method which I used in past, and that helps you to understand how to get free PSN codes. Now, I cannot promise you that you will get a code for sure. Sometimes when I visited the page, all codes have been claimed. There was no code available, so I was not got any. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll share more working tricks in future. Oh yes, where could you get this list? Check the pinned comment section.